Looking for a quick escape? Check out the best day trips from Caen, where nature, history, and unique experiences come together for a perfect outing.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Caen, a historically significant city located in France, experienced extensive damage during the Battle of Normandy. However, its rich historical and cultural heritage has endured to create an enchanting urban landscape. Post-World War II, numerous structures were meticulously restored, including the St. Embark on an unforgettable adventure tailored specifically for 2i. Indulge in a luxurious stay within our exclusive properties or immerse yourselves in the heart of the city's iconic locales. Embark on an enlightening journey through Europe's rich heritage, immersing yourself in the profound narratives of the tumultuous 20th century with the prestigious Caen Memorial. This esteemed institution provides visitors with unparalleled access to explore the harrowing events of World War II, including the destruction wrought by the Allied bombings of Caen and the subsequent ordeal under German occupation. This poignant journey offers visitors a chance to pay homage to the brave souls who lost their lives during World War II's D-Day operation. Commencing from either Bayeux or Caen, participants will embark upon an air-conditioned vehicle journey designed to educate them on various aspects of the historical event, including the roles played by ground, naval, and airborne forces. Private, customized tours, tailored specifically for foreign visitors, aim to demystify their experiences in Caen. These exclusive excursions allow guests to engage with the city according to their personal preferences and interests.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.